Hi guys, welcome back to Rush's Fun Activities. Today we are gonna play Roblox. Um, Today we are gonna play Roblox, and the game today is work at an airport. But some reason it says that this is I'm am a passenger. But how do I change? Um, Maybe how do I change? I think sure. What should I be? I know, flight attendant. And there we go. Equip. What's happening now? Wait, I'm still not a. What? It won't let me. I said a flight attendant. Team development. There. I can't. Close. Okay. So we will be late for our flight. And now we have to go in, and now we have to check in. I'm clicking E, but nothing is happening. Did I check in already? Maybe this one's. Oh, I need to check it. I need to click it. Huh? Click to check in. Okay, so what's happening now? It is happening. Huh? Why won't it? It's not letting me check in. Maybe I already did check in. Maybe I did check in now. So maybe I already checked in. So I'm stuck. Try not to watch where I'm going. Okay, so it says I have to go over here. Let's just follow the arrow. Okay, so over here, luggage service. Okay, so I just. Is he a passing snowflower? How do I place it down? Oh, baggage operator. Here. Hello, how can I help you, sir? How do I check in? Duty as an attendant. You can check in your bar here. If not, you will receive a ticket automatically shortly. Okay. So I need some. So it will appear shortly. But so that means it will take long. That means what it means. Think I should do one. I need an attendant. Okay, that's what. I need an attendant. Hey, we need an attendant, dude. Need an attendant. Hey. Don't you understand me? We gotta check in here. Yeah. Looks like it's broken. Why are all of these broken? Oh, there we go. Welcome to Airborne. Let's fly. Which should I think let's do this. Dubai. Gate 1. Book. Okay, so I have to go to gate 1 now. Gate 1. Where is gate 1? So is it up? Gate 1. Where's gate 1? Is this gate 1? Wait a minute. I need baggage service first, right? Station. Wait, do I need baggage service first? Yeah, let's do that first. I need to be quick. It's 4 p.m. already. Come on. Let's go. Hurry. I'm over here. Okay, so I'll just place my baggage there. Okay, there. I got it now. Okay, hurry. Hurry. It's not. I might. This might like. Come on. Come on. Come on. Our spike. Come on. Let's go. 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 This lady's fast. What is that? Oh, nothing. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good. You have to go here, right? Which gate are we again? Gate 1, right? Gate 1. So, how do I know if it's gate 1? How do I know if it's gate 1? Ah, found it. Stations. Have to go in here. Then, station. Station. So, what's this? What is this? Oh, this is not the correct. Oh my gosh! Hurry, this is just the cafe. No, this is not the. This is the wrong place. Where do we go now? Where do we go now? Where do we go now? Hurry, hurry, hurry! It's almost 6. It's almost 6. We might miss our flight, right? So let's go. Let's go back to where we were. Yeah, can't get rid of that. 5 p.m. already. It's almost 6. 6. Almost 6. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Dude, hurry, hurry. Please, security, help me. How can I help you? How do I get to the gates? Yes, thanks. How do I get to the gates? Follow the arrows and it should take you to a monorail where you can turn to the terminal. Okay. So, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. We will need to follow the arrows first before we can get there. And it's 5:15 now, so we must hurry. This thing is like counting by fives. Counting by fives. I am not kidding. Come on, dude. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Come on. Almost there. Yes, we're at the station. But the monorail is here. The monorail is here. The monorail is here. The monorail is here. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. Oh, phew. Come on. Why won't this thing close? Okay, whoa. Wow. Look at the back. Who is this guy? Whoa. Wait, are we going to the right place? Because hurry. Not it. Okay, so let's go. Hurry, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Okay, let's go. Let's go. We're here already. Okay, and follow the arrows. Follow the arrows. Follow the arrows. Follow the arrows. Gate 1, Gate 1, which gate this is? Gate 1. Guys, gate 1, gate 1, gate 1, send gate 1. Where's gate 1? No! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, gotta get there fast, 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 come on, come on, come on, not too late, almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there, and yes, we made it! Hooray! Yes, we made it! Okay, so, DL3. DL3. So, is this our seats? Where's DL3? What is DL3 again? Wait, did it just close? It's still open. Huh. Weird. Where is DL3? Where's DL3? I don't see anything, so I'll just sit here randomly. I'll sit anywhere that's random. I'll sit in a random place. I'll sit in a random place and wait. Business class? No. Okay, so should I be a pilot? I can't be a captain. When will this leave? When will this leave? Because will this plane need to get up into this fully? Which button here closes the door? What's happening? Nothing is happening. Nothing. Why is this place not closing again? Oh, I think we need to claim our club luggages. What happens if I go backwards? Huh. We need to... What's happening? Why won't this door close? Uh-oh. Come on, dude. Why? What is... Whoa. Hey, don't leave without me. Hey, hey, come back here. Come back here. Hey, I got kicked out. Hey, there's a glitch. Come on. Okay, why did you do that to me? Why? What did he do? What did he do? Move out. Just move out. Hey, get me in here. Open up. Whoa, it's just kicking us out. All it's doing is kicking us out. Hey, we're not even in. Hey, 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 hey. Dude, why did you do that? Because we're not yet seated. Aha. Come on, man. Let's just be, I can't equip anything. No. Why did that plane leave? Does he even know that we are here? We are not in there yet. Are you kidding me? It just left automatically. Left. There should be a captain. Somebody buy the captain pass. Somebody be the captain pass. Somebody. And now I don't know how to get in there. Come on. Why did you miss it? Come on. Why? We missed our flight. Oh, wait. We didn't miss it. We were already on it. And then it just... Hey! Everything is here. It's going around and around. It's like going back. It's like already going there. Look at that. Nobody's even on board yet. Look at that plane. There's nobody on board yet. What type of place is this? I will dislike this. And also play my game Zombie Destroyers. It's cool. And actually the most popular one. Nobody plays it but me and my friends. Oh no. Okay. That's it for today, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye. And this video was a dumb one because we missed the flight. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.